Prove the following formula. Log to the base a of b is equal to log to the base c of b over log to the base c of a. Here's an interesting one. Log to the base a of k of b is equal to 1 over k log a of b. And log of a to the k of b to the m is m over k log a to the b. These last two I found on a Facebook post, and I will now show you how to prove them. Okay, first one is known as the change of base rule. So we've got let log to base a of b be equal to k, and then we should know this rule. Log to base a of b is equal to c implies that a to the c is equal to b. Also, this implies that. So if we apply that to this, we're going to get log to base a of b is equal to k. We're going to have a to the power of k is equal to b. And now if we take logs of a new base c of both sides, which we can do because we're doing it to both sides, we're going to have log to the base c of a to the k is equal to log to the base c of b. Now there's a rule of logarithms that says that you can take the power down in front of the log. So log to the base a of x to the n is n log a of x. So that's going to give me k log base c of a is equal to log to the base c of b. Now dividing both sides by log to the base c of a is log to the base c of a. But k originally was log to the base a of b. So we've now proved the first one. Log to the base a of b is log to the base c of b over log to the base c of a. And as I told you, this is known if you want to change the base of a logarithm. Now, and we should also note this. If we take that formula, okay, and then let c equal to b, then this side will become log to the base a of b will be log to the base b of b over log to the base b of a. And then we know that from this formula that log to the base a, log of the same base of the same thing, is equal to 1. So this bit will be equal to 1. So we end up with this. Log to the base a of b is 1 over log to the base b of a. That's quite useful if you want to change these two over in a logarithm. Right, part B. Let log to the base a of k of b equal to c. And then applying this rule, log to the base a of b is equal to c implies a to the c is equal to b. Then don't forget our a this time is going to be a to the k. So log to the base a of k is equal to c will be a to the k to the power of c is equal to b. And then there's a rule of indices that say that we could write that as a to the kc or a to the ck. So we're going to have a to the ck is equal to b. Now if we're taking logarithms to the base a of both sides, we're going to get log to the base a of a to the ck is equal to log to the base a of b. We can use that rule here, bringing that power down in front like we've done before. So we're going to have ck log to the base a of a is equal to log base a of b. Now log to the base a of a, which was said is 1. So we're going to have that ck will be equal to log to the base a of c. And then we're going to divide by k. And because c was equal to that, we've actually proved the formula. So dividing by k, we're going to have that c is 1 over k log to the base a of b. And because c was equal to our original statement, log to the a to the k of b is equal to 1 over k log the base a of b. Finally, you're going to let log to the base a of k of b to the m be equal to c. So applying this rule, log to the base a of b is equal to c implies a to the c is equal to b. So the base is a to the power of k. So we're going to get a to the power of k to the power of c is equal to b to the m. This is all going to be b in this one. Again, using that rule of indices, we can say that a to the ck is equal to b to the m. And then taking logarithms to the base a of both sides, we're going to have log to the base a of a to the ck is equal to log to the base a of b to the m. We can bring that down in front. So we're going to have ck log base a of a. And again, we can bring that m down in front is equal to m to the log a of b. Log to the base a of a is equal to 1. So we're just going to have that ck is m log to the base a of b. Dividing through by k, we're going to have that c was m over k log to the base a of b, but c was equal to this. Therefore, we proved our formula log to the base a of k of b to the m is equal to m over k log to the base a of b. So this has been a bit of video to show you how to prove some further formulae using the rules of logarithms. I hope you've understood. Thank you very much for watching, and maybe you can consider subscribing to my channel. In the link of this video, you'll find a link to my website where you'll find thousands of videos to support you with A-level maths. Thank you very much.